Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. We have a Toyota Venza in the shop for some scratches. Apparently got keyed. For getting keyed, they must have used a plastic key. Normally it's down to the metal. But anyways, lucky to this owner because we should be able to remove almost all of this without any sight of it being there. And we're going to do it a little bit different than I've showed you before. Some of the same characteristics of the way we approach this, but a more compact way. We're only charging a couple hundred for this, so we want to make this a seamless job, quick and easy in and out of the shop. So let's get this done. I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to wash it first, obviously, get the grittiness, the light dust, the dirt off of there. Then, while the car is still wet, we're not going to dry it. We're going to come up to the damaged area, and in the wash bucket, I've already dumped in 2,000 and 3,000 grit discs. You can do it dry if you like. It's much quicker if you just leave the car wet like this, pull the disc out of the water starting with the 2,000 grit, and wet sand those scratches down. And what you're going to do, you'll sand until you see the white milky substance running down, and that's going to obviously be clear coat. You're going to start shaving some of the clear coat off of there. You don't want to go too deep. So I normally go till I see the white milky substance look just like this, and then I'll stop and I'll check my work. And if I need to go deeper, I'll do so. But I'll grab the hose and I'll rinse the area after I wash it. Once again, gets rid of all of that clear coat we pulled from the surface. If you are happy with your progress, it's time to blend it in. So I also have a 3,000 grit disc soaking in the soapy water. And we'll go over the area once again, but we'll make the surface area that we're sanding just a little bit larger. And this will help blend in the area so it doesn't look extremely obvious that we've worked on this section. Rinse it once again. You can wash it once again and then completely dry the car. And then I'll come in and show you what it looks like so far after the area has been wet sanded during this process. At this point, it's scuffed up. We took the gloss, we took the shininess away. However, you're going to see there's still texture there. So we haven't sanded down the clear coat to a point where there's no texture and it's completely flat and glassed. It will look like the surrounding area. There are two areas where it's definitely really deep down into the base coat and maybe even a little bit further. But out of all of that messiness, just having two little areas that you're still not going to be able to see once we're finished is going to be acceptable. So the pre-wax number 390 auto polish from Colonite is what we're going to go with, and we'll just use a standard foam pad, the orange one, and we'll polish out the sand marks. That's going to be very quick, very easy, and efficient to do, and we'll have corrected these scratches without really any stress on the clear coat, such as extreme heat from running the DA or a rotary polisher back and forth and back and forth and back and forth numerous times with a ton of pressure. A crisscross pattern equal to 2 passes is all it's going to take to polish out the sand marks. Once you're down to 3000 grit, it's quick and easy, and you're not using the polisher a whole lot. So let me wipe off the residue and we'll come in and take a look. Now, at this point, if you need to go back, you can sand once again. You just need to grab the sand discs out of the bucket, make the area wet, and go get to it again. But this will be acceptable to this owner. So we're going to break out some sort of protection. The V80 from Vonix is just a polymer sealant, but if you're going to shave clear coat in any manner, you want to build it back up with something, if that makes sense. A polymer sealant at the very least, a coating or paint protection film. With the V80, you simply spread it out on the panel, let it set, dry a little bit till it hazes over, wipe it off, and you are all set. And here is the before and after footage. Besides taking a look in the shop, at the shop setting, I like to pull it out and look at it on the shady side and then turn the vehicle around and look at it with sunlight, direct sunlight beaming right down on it. And that will give you an idea of what you will see the customer sees and viewers of the vehicle see when they walk by. And except for maybe one or two of the real deep areas that are through the clear, it's improved. But you can only see them at certain angle with the perfect light. This is acceptable. So guys, this is a short video. I just wanted to show you how I would spot correct, and this is quick and easy to do. From here you can do an enhancement or a one step and really dial this paint in. Brian from Apex Detail, catch you in the next video.